Hello, welcome back. This is James Surreal from Our Rostering and Time Attendant. So before we even start to create our shift schedule, one of the things that we need to understand about our rostering is it gives us the flexibility to add our own types of data so that we can understand our rota better. So the purpose of this tutorial is to look at how we can add and manage our roster data. And what do I mean by roster data? We have the shift type here, which is early shift, and if we drill down here, we have shift allocation here. So all these data, which is 10 a.m. 9 a.m. Which is 8 a.m. medication here, we can always decide to update and change this to 10 a.m. or delete this allocation altogether. So it gives us the capability to be able to do that. And because at each in each particular shift, your staff will be scheduled to do a particular thing within their time. So if a staff is scheduled for 10, like on the 24th is scheduled for this person, James Surreal is scheduled for early shift 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. We can decide, okay, you're going to be giving medication or you're going to be going to the hospital for an appointment. So we can put that roster data here. Now we can click on this icon and it shows us manage roster data, and we can say we want to manage the shift allocation or we want to manage the shift type. So the shift type, we talk about the early shift, late shift, admin, training, and if you have any type of shift type, you can always add that shift type as well. So, but I'll just go back and I'll say shift allocation. The shift allocation, I can add more new shift allocation, and I can say 8 p.m. medication, and I can say this is night medication administration. So we can always add that and we can always update it. So we can change the spelling, administration, and we can add more. We can say health and safety checks. We can say this is health and safety checks. So we have that, and we say so we have this shift allocation. So if we go to any shift, for example, and we come and select the core shift, we will always see it on that particular rota. This will not happen in other roster department. It will only happen for this department. So you have the flexibility to change that. So if I change this to 8 a.m. shift and I update it, we can see on the rota that this person core shift allocation for that day is 8 a.m. So apart from other things that the person is going to do on the shift, which is like the norm, the core thing they will have to do on that day as addition, which is compulsory, will be handling the health and safety check for that day. So this is how we can manage the roster data, and we can always add more types of shift type if we need more types. So if we decide we don't need toil, we can always cancel it. We can always delete that as well. So that's very easy on how we can handle our roster data. That will help us to understand how this roster is working. When we run our reports, we can understand if somebody has actually done it or not on that day, because we have here a responsible person. So if the health and safety check is not done, then we will know who is responsible for health and safety check on that particular day, and we can know that this check has been allocated for this person, which the staff already knows via their mobile app as well, and then we can check what has been done for that day. So I'll see you in the next tutorial, and we will look at other aspects of our rostering and time and attendance. Thank you for watching. and bye for now.